like tennis. I'm with this shit like I'm Dennis. I started this shit, I'm a business. Niggas be hating, trying to blemish my image. Who want the smoke? 2 to 3 count with the scope. Extended clip long as a rope. We wipe his nose, just like he had him a cold. I knew that boy was a hoe. Pull up with the gang, you know that we buying it. What is your set, nigga? What is you claiming? I am a beast, you cannot time it. Don't point a finger, this shit can get dangerous. These niggas hate, these niggas plot. Ooh, we got money, I'm running this wallet. You say you a killer, little nigga stop it. In the shootout, your gun was dropping. You really a fraud, you cannot stop on his yard. My nigga, they scamming, they swiping them cards. I am so high that I'm talking to stars. I'm gone at them jiggers, I'm popping them bars. Don't mind me pimping.
Me and my friends went to the beach along the bike path and we were looking for food. Have you ever tried ramen?
Rice.
Where?
I only eat rice, not gonna lie. I'm very
a cup of noodles.
Yeah, a cup of noodles.
Bro, you guys are like simple.
Like over there in like Los Angeles, just like this freaking fish place, it's so good.
I can't eat a fish place.
Yeah, he's
allergic
to milk.
He's allergic to half the foods.
No, bro, what?
Everything except McDonald's.
Bro, I'm just allergic to seafood.
How do you eat McDonald's?
Lactose.
Yeah, I'm lactose.
Just tolerate it.
Yeah, tolerate. There's pills.
Wait, really?
Popping pills for some milk.
You can drink milk.
You can't eat cereal? You're missing out. You can't eat cereal with milk? Cereal with water?
I don't eat cereal. I eat it.
After leaving the spot, the Skin Cancer Awareness Foundation that was around there gave all 4 of us banana suits, and we went to a nearby park and Mark tried them on.
For your arms and for
Where's
your
your
feet.
fucking regular hole? That's like take a shit. That's your head.
That's your head, bro.
dumbass.
You put that on the toilet. Why? What's this then?
That's the bottom.
feet.
Oh, you fit through there.
That's your head.
That's for your feet.
No, how is
No,
it?
that your head's right
That your
there.
head's right here.
You go like this,
Oh,
you
that
put
was-
it onto the bottom.
Oh, this is why you so tired, bro.
I thought that was the Oh, me.
You got it.
Hold
You
it
got
down.
it. Pull it. Oh. Big.
Oh my god.
You did the face.
As we were heading back home, there was a lot of people like cheering us on and yelling banana out. It was fun. Damn, that guy cruising.
United.